Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute nasturtium flowers. Here I have already made 3 samples. You can see. So if you like the tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So at first take your yarn and make a slip knot. Now make 4 chains and make a slip stitch on the first chain. This is your foundation ring. Now make 5 chains, 3, 4, 5, and make a treble crochet through the foundation ring. Now make 5 chains and make a slip stitch through the foundation ring. Continue this process for 5 times. So there you will be working for 5 petals. This will give you the foundation for 5 petals. So now I'm going to make 2 single crochet in this chain 5 space. 1 and 2. Now on the top of the treble crochet I'm going to make 1 double crochet. Now I will make 7 treble crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I'm going to make 1 double crochet on the same space. Now I am making 2 single crochets in the chain 5 space, and I am going to make a slip stitch on this very slip stitch. So making a slip stitch on the slip stitch of the previous round. So continue this around the whole circle. So now in the end of this round I am making a slip stitch on the slip stitch. Now I am making the last round. So now I'm going to make a slip stitch on the single crochet. Again, one slip stitch on the next single crochet and one slip stitch on the next double crochet. Now I have made one chain and I am making 2 double crochet on each of the 7 treble crochets. So I am making 2 double crochets on each of the 7 treble crochets. Now I am making the last 2 double crochets. I have made one chain and now I am making the slip stitches on the double crochet and on the 2 single crochets. Now I'm going to skip the slip stitch in between 2 petals and I am making slip stitches on the next 2 single crochets and double crochet of the next petal. And I have made one chain and now I am making 2 double crochets on each of the 7 treble crochets of the next petal. So I have worked on all of the petals and I'm going to cut off the yarn. So here is my nasturtium. If you use thicker yarns, your flower will be bigger. So I have made one in yellow and one in purple. So I hope you will follow the tutorial and subscribe to my channel.